mousetrap alarm. I get email all the time from my fans asking me to make a project that's easy, cheap, and something that anyone can make. Well, it's time to do that once again. Unless you own a vicious guard dog or a fat attack cat like me, this project could be just for you. The main ingredient is just a regular old mousetrap. It can be any size. This is a small one because it works just as well. If you've got a toy gun laying around, you probably have some of these ring caps, and you're going to need some of these. Also, some plain old double-sided tape, a piece of string, and a regular old tack. The first step is to snap back the arm on the mousetrap, because we want to see a mark in the wood exactly where that arm lands. Now, you might want to get a binder clip or something else to hold this arm back while you're working so you don't lose a finger. Now take that ring cap and, using a pair of scissors, cut off each little individual cap. We'll need a few. Then, locating the mark we made with the arm on the mousetrap, we're going to take a small strip of double-sided tape and lay it right down there on the mousetrap. Then, we're going to take each individual cap and lay them along that line. Now, you may not need all of these, but you need some backup, so do 4 or 5. Once they're in place, we're going to take another strip of double-sided tape and put it on the back of the mousetrap. Then it's time to make our trigger, which is going to be our piece of string, which we'll loop through the mousetrap release and tie a knot. Okay, here we go. It's time to place our trap, and we're going to put it right over the door that we want to protect. Make sure it's attached firmly, and then carefully set it. Then we're going to take our tack, and we're going to stick it in the corner of our door. Now, don't worry, this is only going to leave a very small hole when you're done. And finally, tie a small loop in the other end of the string. Now, exit the room and carefully loop the string around the tack and close the door. Be careful not to set off your alarm. Then, the next time someone intrudes on your room, they'll not only be surprised by the sound of the cap, but they'll also alert you they've been in there. And there's nothing they can do to prevent you from finding out. And that's how to make an easy $1 mousetrap alarm.